The moment I asked this potential juror this question, I knew he was the perfect juror for my case. But at the same moment, I also knew that the defense attorney was going to do everything possible to throw him off our case. You want to know what this is about? Come join me for a moment as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney practicing law here in the state of New York. Let me give you a little bit of insight what went on during jury selection in a medical malpractice case that I was ready to try. So now we're in a room with 25 people. I am there together with the defense attorney. And now it's an opportunity for me to question these potential jurors to find out if they are the right ones for our case, if they have no biases, no prejudices, if they can keep an open mind. So now one of the questions I asked this young potential juror was, do you like Halo? Now you might be asking yourself, what kind of question is that? Well, it turns out that each of these potential jurors filled out a questionnaire. And we have the opportunity for a few moments to read each and every person's questionnaire of the people that we're questioning. And in the questionnaire, this one particular young gentleman indicated as part of his hobbies, he likes playing video games. So now I'm thinking, if he really likes to play video games, maybe he has an interest or a desire in this one military-style game that's extremely popular called Halo. Now, I personally have never played the game before, but just a few days earlier, my son told me about this game, so I figured, why don't I ask him the question? The moment I asked that question, you should have seen his eyes light up. He was like, yes, I play Halo all the time. And that was amazing to me. He immediately bonded to me. Why? Because here I am asking him a question about his hobby, his interest. And now he realizes, hey, I know something about this video game. The defense attorney at the same moment recognized this instant bond, and I knew in that instant that he was going to do everything possible to get this potential juror off the case. Now, just because this guy plays this video game and I recognized it, doesn't mean he'd be in favor of my client or my case. But now he forms an affinity to me, and that's a really powerful thing. And by the way, this defense attorney did in fact knock this juror off our case. He used one of 3 challenges that the law gives him. It's known as a peremptory challenge, where he doesn't have to give any excuse or any reason. So, as part of his challenges to get people off that he doesn't feel are right for his case, boom, that juror was off the case. And then we continued on selecting our jury. So why do I share this quick information with you? I share it with you just to give you an inside look at what goes on in these civil lawsuits here in New York. You know, I recognize you're watching this video because you likely have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in New York and you're thinking about bringing a lawsuit, but you have questions that need to be answered first, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I do every single day, and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, G-E-R-R-Y, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.